Hi, I'm Monya with the Sharon Forks branch of the Forsyth County Public Library. If you're like me, you're having a hard time finding hand sanitizer right now. So today I'm going to share a recipe with you from the World Health Organization for hand sanitizer that you can make at home. We're going to start with 99% isopropyl alcohol. Okay, we're going to use 1 cup or 8 ounces of that. Next, we're going to use 3% hydrogen peroxide. We're using 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, after that, you can use either 98% glycerin or aloe vera gel. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of the aloe vera gel. Okay. After that, we're going to use distilled water. If you don't have distilled water on hand, you can just boil the water and allow it to cool. So the measurement for the water is 85 milliliters. If you don't have a milliliters measuring cup, you can measure out a 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon, and that is 85 milliliters. Pour that in. Just going to use my little whisk to kind of blend it all. Blend the aloe vera gel in. And I'm just going to use my little travel bottles that I just happen to have on hand. You could always fill up the empty hand sanitizer bottles if you may still have. But this seems like an easy way to just fill those up. Let's just give it a little squeeze, a couple drops. And there you go, hand sanitizer at home. Thanks for watching.